opportunity to speak on two important bills, that is the Central Goods and Service Tax, Second Amendment Bill 2023, and the second one, the Provisional Collection of Taxes Bill 2023, introduced by the Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. Madam, the Central Goods and Services Tax, Second Amendment Bill 2023, it has been proposed by the Modi government to amend the Central Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. According to the provision of the bill, the Central Goods and Services Tax Act 2017 is being aligned with the Tribunal Reforms Act 2021 to initiate the administrative process for the operationalization of the goods and services tax appellant tribunals. The proposed bill allows for the appointment of advocates with 10 or more years of substantial experience in indirect taxes before the appellant tribunal, the High Court or the Supreme Court, as judicial members of the GST appellant tribunal. Madam, in September 2023, the government notified 21 benches of the GST appellant tribunal. However, the advocates were not eligible to become members, unlike other tribunals. Furthermore, it increases the retirement age of both the president and serving members of appellant tribunals. In the line with the Tribunal Reforms Act 2021, the bill has fixed the minimum age for tribunal members at 50 years. The proposed bill brought in by the Modi government aligns the Central Goods and Services Act 2017 with the Tribunal Reforms Act 2021, paving the way for the administrative process to operationalize goods and services tax appellant tribunals. This alignment is expected to streamline the adjudication process, facilitating quicker resolution of cases. The inclusion of advocates with substantial experience in indirect taxes as judicial members further contributes to the expertise available for expeditious decision-making. Madam, by allowing the appointment of advocates with 10 or more years of substantial experience in indirect taxes as judicial members of the GST appellant tribunal, the proposed bill expands the talent pool from which judges can be selected. This move broadens the scope for appointing individuals with diverse experiences and expertise, ensuring a more comprehensive and well-informed judiciary. The increased retirement age for both the President and serving members of the appellant tribunals, in accordance with the Tribunal Reforms Act 2021, signifies a commitment to continuity and stability within the tribunal system. This provision contributes to a more conducive environment for business by fostering consistency and reliability in the adjudication process, thereby promoting ease of doing business. Honorable Madam, setting a minimum age of 50 years for tribunal members ensure a level of maturity and experience in the judicial system. This criterion is likely to contribute to the overall improvement in the quality of judgments delivered by the appellant tribunals. By aligning with the Tribunal Reforms Act 2021, the government signals its dedication to enhancing the judiciary efficiency and effectiveness, leading to more robust and well-founded legal decisions. Madam, as for the Provisional Collection of Taxes Bill 2023 is concerned, it provides for giving immediate effect for a limited period to provisions in bills relating to the imposition or increase of duties of customs or excise with or without change in tariff classification. The bill also provides for the repeal of Provisional Collection of Taxes Act 1931. The Provisional Collection of Taxes Act 2023 being introduced to give immediate effect to increased or newly imposed tax and empower the government to collect such taxes provisionally for the interim period, that is, the period between the introduction of the bill and the enactment of the bill. This interim period is limited to 75 days. Further, there are provisions in the bill to refund these provisionally collected taxes in certain cases where the bill is not enacted within 75 days or enacted with amendments. This bill replaces the erstwhile Provisional Collection of Taxes Act 1931. The power to immediately implement the increased taxes is required in order to moderate domestic prices, avoid speculation in the market, provide protection to domestic industry on immediate basis as well as revenue consideration. Indian states like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka have their respective Provisional Collection of Taxes Act. In recent years, PCTA 1931 was invoked to implement various announcements like increasing duty on specified cigarettes in 2023 and implement phased manufacturing program on smart meter hearable devices in 2022. In the case of income tax, the tax changes are made in the finance bill for the next financial year. Thus, the power to immediately implement and collect tax provisionally is not required. In the case of GST, the design and structure of GST is such that all rate changes can only be carried out based on recommendation of the GST Council, which has representation from both center and states. In addition, the effective date of rate change is synchronized between center and states so as to enable both center and states to carry out similar changes in their respective GST laws. Hence, the power to collect tax provisionally is not required. Madam, I congratulate to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Finance Minister for introducing these two important bills in the House. And I think by introducing these bills, these bills further improve the health of the economy. With these words, I welcome both the bills and support the bills and request all the honorable members for their support and to pass these bills. Thank you very much.
Shri Arun